Hi guys, my name is Alexander. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I'll teach you how to play accordion and improve your skills from beginners to more advanced level. Please like, subscribe and share videos to help my channel grow. Let's start. Hi. Making your hands independent so they can be free to play anything you want is one of the most important, if not the most important skill you have to learn as an accordion player. And if you are a beginner, that should be your number one goal to achieve. In this video, I'm going to show you exercises that can help you to make your hands more independent from each other. I will use C major scale, but you can use any other scale if you want. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions, comment in section down below. See you next time.